Hey guys, this is William from forexstrategieswork.com, and in this short video I want to address a question I've been asked many times: how to start trading forex, especially for beginners. And there are a lot of questions being asked through my website, and I want to take this chance to make a video to address this question. And I believe it is really not as difficult as you might think. And I'm here to provide three simple steps actually, to start trading forex the right way. So let's look at step number one. Step number one is actually to find a reliable business partner. And when I talk about business partner, I'm referring to the forex broker, because look, the forex broker is where you keep all your money, your profit, your capital. You need to keep it with someone reliable, and you need to find someone who you can trust, just like a business partner. And for that, I recommend three of the brokers I'm currently using, and they are each offering 30 US no deposit sign up bonus, and I strongly suggest you use them. This no deposit sign up is really only for non-US residents. If you are in US, I have another broker to recommend to you. So go to pipmill.com/brokers, and you will find that I have three brokers, each offering 30 US each. And these brokers are all what I use, and I strongly suggest that you use them, because they have been really good in terms of spreads, in terms of withdrawal, and in terms of customer support. They have been really good, and of course the platform is very reliable. Okay, so step number two, you want to actually focus on one strategy that you like. Spend all your time mastering it, even if it take 1 year, 2 years, but spend all your time mastering one strategy. One of the biggest mistake that new traders make is they jump from one strategy to another strategy, and that is not the mistake I want you to make. I want you to focus on one strategy, be it a reversal strategy, be it a trend following strategy, but just master that one strategy before jumping around. Every strategy has its strength, you just need to give it time. Okay, and the main thing that you really want to do when you have found a strategy is to look at the time frame. What I want you to do is to focus on daily time frame. Please do not look at trying to get in and out of market fast using the 1 minute time frame, because that makes sense. You think you can jump in and jump out, but oftentimes the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute time frame, shorter time frames, they are very volatile, highly erratic. In fact, unless you're really experienced, these time frames really do not respect much of the technical analysis. And so for me, I would suggest you find a strategy, focus on the daily time frame, and if you really have to, look at the 4-hour time frame at the very minimum. If you do not know where to find strategies, I have one indicator that you can use. This is a trend following indicator. It will always keep you on the right side of the trend. You go to pipmill.com/supertrend. Download it, it's free. Please master this. You will be okay. Give it time. Use daily time frame. If you have to go faster, 4-hour time frame. If you go below the 4-hour time frame, there is a very high chance you will not do well in trading. High chance. Doesn't mean you won't, but high chance. I only recommend lower time frame for more experienced traders. Okay, so now let's go to step number 3. Once you have identified a strategy that you like, you can now go to demo trading, and I would suggest you have to take 1 year before going live. Why? It's very simple. Trading is a lifelong journey. I know we are all excited to make money, and we want to make money fast. We want to get out of 9 to 5. But look, give it time. This, just like you have to go to college to study for 4 years, I suggest you study and master the art of trading for at least 1 year before going live. One of the big mistakes a lot of traders do is they jump straight into live. Now I know the psychology is very different going into demo and going to live. But if you can't control even your profitability for demo, forget about the psychology. I want you to make sure you get the techniques right first. Then after that, we look at psychology. Okay, so demo trading for 1 year, and this is a lifelong skill. You will need to give this time. Okay, so with this, I end this video. This video is how to start trading for beginners, Forex for beginners. And I'm William from forexstrategieswork.com. I hope this video has helped. The links are right down below on the description. Go ahead and click it, claim your US $90 from the brokers. Go ahead, download the free Super Trend Indicator, and please practice, practice, and practice. Okay, with this, William from forexstrategieswork.com. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.